Introducing the Napoleon Tall Bay Luxuria, a statement gas fireplace designed for custom homes where architecture and fire become one. A dramatic 21-inch glass height delivers an expansive viewing area and a commanding flame presentation. Engineered for design flexibility, it's ideal for three-sided, corner, or one-sided installations, allowing you to shape the fire around your vision. Optional corner and Miro flame porcelain reflective ledge kits further tailor the visual impact. At the heart of the experience are luminous oak, driftwood, or birch log sets. High-definition, handcrafted logs designed for exceptional depth and realism. Paired with the woodland media kit and Miro flame porcelain reflective radiant panels, the fire delivers layered dimension, brilliance, and visual intensity from every angle. A modulating ember bed and integrated top lighting create layered illumination, which can be enjoyed without flames for year-round cozy ambiance. Effortlessly take control of the ambiance by transitioning between ember bed, low flame, and high flame settings, allowing you to refine the mood while reducing gas consumption when desired. Included dynamic heat control, an integrated heat management system, allows for zero clearance installation directly against combustibles, enabling flexible placement near TVs and finishes. The included advanced remote lets you effortlessly control and adjust your fireplace, and it's compatible with the eFire app for added convenience via your mobile device. Up to 42,000 BTUs of refined performance, backed by Napoleon's President's limited lifetime warranty for complete peace of mind.